Hey everyone, Carol Hickman here with Chickstamper. How are you doing today? I wanted to come on and show you this really cute project that I made. Just a quick and easy treat. I'm using it as a thank you gift or a pillow gift, sometimes we call it, for my orders from last week. So last Friday's Facebook Live video, I worked on these two cards. And these are using the Pretty Pumpkins bundle. Aren't they adorable? And I used the bark 3D embossing folder just to give it a little something. So the Pretty Pumpkin set has these gorgeous dies in it. I just love them. And then this fun stamp set. So that's what we use for a class. So I like to coordinate the thank you gift when I'm sending out these packets. So thank you to everybody who ordered last week. You're all receiving a card kit as well as this cute thank you gift in the mail. And then I also used our cute Stitch So Sweetly. We've got all these different sizes. So I used the fourth one up from the smallest size for our project today. Okay, and then last but not least, we've got this gorgeous gold and rose gold metallic paper. It comes in 6x6. It is amazing and it's nice and thin. Very easy to use with your dies and punches. So get some of that, it's really cute, you guys. All right, let's show you how we made this cute project today. So I'm gonna start with a little acrylic or acetate box, I should say. It's 3 1/8 by 3 1/8. They come in a package so you get a bunch at a time. And I've just pulled one out and I'm just going to fold on these score lines so that I can turn it into a box. And then I wanted to just put a cute little fall treat since it's fall time. So it's October of 2021. There we go. So I've got some, these are retired, but we do have other cello bags in the catalog currently. These are 3x6 and they're a cute little cellophane bag that I knew I could put some fall mix candy in. So I'm just gonna fill it about halfway, maybe just a little less. Ooh, this one's got a lot of pumpkins in it. See if I can get some of the candy corn. Okay. And I'm simply just gonna fold this over so that way I don't need to touch that candy. So if you're getting one of these at home, rest assured, I haven't touched it in this COVID area, right? Okay, so these pumpkins are a little fatter, but that's okay. We're gonna make it work. Fold this over. And then we're just gonna put a cute little decoration on it. As you can see, I've got kind of a banner here, so I wanted to show you how I did that banner, okay? Let's take a peek. I've got a 2" by 12" piece of designer paper. This is from the Peaceful Place designer paper pack. And what I did is, let me score it first. We're gonna score it at 5.5 and 6.5. And that's just gonna give me a way to kind of wrap around the box a little bit. So pretty simple. You don't have to officially score it. You could really just fold it if you wanted. But now on the ends, I wanna get this banner cut. So what I'm using is the Tailor Tag Punch. And I'm just gonna fold over my paper and put it right in here because I wanna get this cute banner cut on it. So you can just kind of see I'm trying to center it left and right and then top and bottom as well. So I've cut out those banner pieces and now I have my cute flag in there. And then we'll just wrap it around our box. And I'm gonna put just a little bit of adhesive on this side just to help hold it. And then I will also just put a little strip right here and right here. You don't need much, but that'll just hold it around the box. You don't wanna put adhesive where it's going to bend around the corners because that will kind of make it lay funny. All right, then I'm just gonna match up these corners or edges that I punched. There we go. How cute is that? So let's decorate it. All right, so I've got a Stitch So Sweetly scallop rectangle here and one of these adorable pumpkins out of the gold metallic specialty paper. You want to get some of that. That is just so fun and so gorgeous. Perfect for the holidays. And then I'm using a stamp sentiment from the Pretty Pumpkin set, and it says, "So thankful for you." This is the one I'm going to use. So I've got my rectangle here of smoky slate, and I'm going to use some basic gray ink so it'll be nice and dark. And I want to try to get it up in this corner right here so that I have room for my pumpkin. All right, good. And then we can put the pumpkin on with some dimensionals. We'll use some basic black and we'll use some mini ones so they kind of fit on these smaller sections here. In the past, we've had gold paper and it was really thick and it was kind of messy. This paper is amazing. It's so nice and thin, and it the gold doesn't come off at all, so you don't have to worry about it ending up where you don't want it on your projects. It's just pretty cool, isn't it? So pretty. And I really like how it's brushed. It's going to add a lot, I think, this holiday season. All right, I put on a lot of different dimensionals, so let's, and now that I'm thinking about it, I may not need them all, but that's all right. I guess it'll hang over a little bit. That's okay. Okay, so let's put this piece on. I think would make the most sense. We'll do this next. And we'll just put this right on our box here. So cute. Okay, and then we've got room for our pumpkin. That way, if he overhangs that rectangle, scallop rectangle, it's okay because he'll still be on the designer paper. There we go. And then we're just going to finish it off with some holiday rhinestones. And I used the kind of the darker green ones. Whoopsie, where'd that one go? There you go. All right, you guys. Oh, a bow, we need a bow. Just a quick and easy little over-under bow. Just to decorate the pumpkin a little bit, add a little bit more dimension to our treat. There we go. Let's get a little glue dot and we'll put him right on with that. Okay, what do you think? Cute little gift. You could make the same thing for the holidays for your coworkers or your teachers and things in your life. Fill it obviously with some holiday candy. Whatever works for you. I just thought it would be a cute, quick thank you gift to send out this week. So thank you again for everybody who ordered last week. I really appreciate you. Have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.